Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. I'm Brick Holleran, filling in for your host whose voice has gone into witness protection. Today, we're continuing our journey southbound on Interstate 95, beginning at mile marker 94 in the heart of South Carolina's Lowcountry. Approaching exit 93, we again intersect with US Highway 15 near the town of Holly Hill. US 15 is a significant north to south route that stretches from Walterboro, South Carolina, all the way to Painted Post, New York. Holly Hill, a small town with a rich history, offers a glimpse into the rural charm of Orangeburg County. As of 2023, the town had an estimated population of 1,252. At exit 90, we meet US Highway 176. This highway runs parallel to the nearby Interstate 26 and serves as a connector between Columbia and Charleston. The area around this exit is characterized by dense forests and wetlands, typical of the South Carolina coastal plain. At exit 86, we reach one of the most important junctions on this stretch of I-95, Interstate 26. This east-west route connects the state capital, Columbia, to Charleston on the Atlantic coast. It's a major corridor for traffic heading to and from the port city, and it makes this interchange a key connector for both regional commerce and tourism. Whether you're heading inland to the Midlands or out to the Lowcountry coast, I-26 is a crucial piece of South Carolina's highway network. As we continue south, the landscape remains predominantly rural, with stretches of pine forests and occasional glimpses of farmland. This region is part of the Atlantic Coastal Plain, known for its flat terrain and rich biodiversity. At exit 82, we intersect with US Highway 178, providing access to the towns of Bowman and Harleyville. These small communities are steeped in Southern history and offer a peaceful respite from the hustle and bustle of interstate travel. At exit 77, we intersect with US Highway 78 and pass through the town of St. George, one of the larger municipalities along this stretch of I-95. Known for its small-town charm and southern hospitality, St. George is also famous for hosting the annual World Grits Festival. St. George serves as the county seat of Dorchester County and had a population of 1,843 as of the 2020 census. US 78 runs from Charleston to Augusta, Georgia, and serves as a parallel route to I-26, offering an alternative path through the region. This area marks a brief return to a more populated setting before we head back into quieter countryside. Approaching mile marker 70, the scenery continues to showcase the natural beauty of South Carolina's low country. The road ahead remains straight and smooth, lined with towering pines and the occasional billboard hinting at upcoming attractions. Our journey for today concludes at mile 69. Thanks for riding along with us on this segment of I-95 South. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more scenic journeys and travel insights. Safe travels, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.